Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss class 8th English Objective MCQ series of all the chapters. So without any delay, let's start. The first chapter is The Knife Friends. And the question number 1 is, why are the two friends called knife in the story? And the right answer is option B, they easily believe others without thinking. Now the question number 2, what lesson does the story The Knife Friends teach? And the right answer is think wisely before trusting people. Option number C. And now question number 3. What kind of friendship do the two friends share? And the right answer is they share true friendship but like wisdom. Option C. Now question number 4. What is the tone of the story? So right answer is humorous and moralistic. Option number A. Now chapter number 2. Kali and the right snake. Question number 1. Why is Kali afraid of the right snake? And the right answer is option number B. He thinks all snakes are dangerous. Now the question number 2. What does the story mainly teach? So the right answer is option number B. Ignorance creates fear. Option number B. Question number 3. How does Kali overcome his fear? So right answer is option number B. By understanding that right snakes are harmless. Let's move to the question number 4. What is the nature of the right snake? And the right answer is harmless. Chapter 3, Siachen, the place of wild roses. So question number 1 is, what is the Siachen mainly known for? So right answer is glacier and extreme cold. Question number 2, why is Siachen called the place of wild roses? So the answer is because the Balti word Sia means rose, wild rose. So now question number 3, what challenges do soldiers face in Siachen? So right answer is freezing temperatures and difficult terrain. Now question number 4, what does the chapter mainly highlight? So right answer is option C, courage and sacrifice of Indian soldiers. Now let's move to the chapter 4, the King John and the Abbot of Canterbury. Question number 1, why was the King John angry with the Abbot? And the right answer is the abbot was very rich and powerful. Option B. Question number 2. What is the punishment King John threatened? So right answer is option C. Imprisonment and loss of property. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Who solved the abbot's problem? And the right answer is his suffered. Now question number 4. What is the tone of the story? So right answer is option B. Humorous and witty. Now let's move to the chapter 5, the flying machine. Question number 1, what is the central theme of the flying machine? And the right answer is human curiosity and invention, means option number C. And now question number 2, why does the emperor worry about the flying machine? And the right answer is it may be misused by enemies. Option C. Question number 3, what does the story suggest about new inventions? And the right answer is they bring both opportunities and dangers. So right answer is option number C. Now question number 4, what genre does the flying machine belong to? And the right answer is science fiction. Now let's move to the chapter 6, champion women. And the first question is, what does the chapter champion women mainly highlight? And the right answer is women achievers who broke barriers. Option number B. Question number 2, what quality is common among the champion women? So the answer is determination and courage. Option number C. Now the question 3, what message does the lesson convey? And the right answer is women can achieve greatness through hard work. Option B. Question number 4, the chapter inspire readers to, and the right answer is work hard and follow their dreams. Now let's move to the chapter 7, a new religion. And the first question is, who found the new religion described in the chapter? And the right answer is Buddha. Option C. Question number 2, what does the main message of the new religion? And the right answer is desires are the cause of suffering. So option B. Question number 3, what quality of the founder attracted many followers? And the right answer is simplicity and compassion. Question number 4, what does the chapter teach students? And the right answer is to practice kindness and self-control. So option B is the right answer. Now let's move to the chapter 8, living in the age of Google. And the question 1, what is the main idea of the chapter? And the right answer is option B, life has become easier due to technology. Question number 2, what caution does the chapter give? And the right answer is do not trust all information blindly. Option number B. Question number 3, how has Google changed the way people learn? And the right answer is information is available instantly. Option number B is the right answer. Question number 4, what should students practice while using the internet? And the right answer is critical thinking. Option B. Now let's move to the chapter 9, the Shri Krishna eating horse. And the first question is, what is setting of the story? And right answer is a restaurant. Option number B. Question number 2, what problem does the owner face? And the right answer is people not paying their bills. Option C. Question number 3, what trait of the owner is highlighted? And the right answer is question number 3, what trait of the owner is highlighted? And the right answer is kindness and patience. Question number 4, what is the message of the story? And the right answer is kindness creates trust and goodwill. Now let's move to the chapter 10, the young voices of change. Question number 1, what is the chapter mainly about? And the right answer, young people making positive contribution. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2, what quality is common among the young change makers? So right answer is initiative and responsibility. Option number C is right. Question number 3, what does the chapter encourage students to do? And the right answer is to take a small actions to solve problems. Option B. Question 4, who can bring change according to the lesson? And the right answer is anyone with determination.